Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted a video. One video I have not posted is my 22 race season. That's right. What I did, I basically took a lot of different clips from a lot of my videos I posted last year. I put it on one nice little video. So it's not going to be that long. Hope you enjoy. It's going to have some funny stuff in there. It's going to have some of my wins, losses in there, some of my famous you-know-what stops. Stay tuned for that, and hope you enjoy the video. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Thank you for watching. Good morning, folks. That's right. First points race of the season. The sun's up. Last race, it was dark. Yeah, it looks nice now, but storms are coming later on today. Wow, it is a beautiful day outside. And guess where we're going? That's right, Mocan. We got one today. Yeah, 100 degrees today. Trailer's all hooked up, everything's ready to go. Just keeping the garage, keep things cool that way. Good morning, my friends. That's right, this is gonna be a strange morning. Not really, it's actually a Friday morning. That's right, guys, it's race day. Oh boy, what did he get here?
Yep, time to get up.
Good morning. As you can tell, it is morning. Whoa, good morning. Oh my goodness. Saturday morning here, Eddyville. Oh, camera's weird. You see, it's cloudy. I think the temperature today is supposed to be 64, 60, 8:30. Holy fright.
You got her hot in here.
Yeah, we did. It's 8:30 here in Eddyville. Good morning, my friends. Okay. Down the road, it's gonna be chilly up there. I think the high today up there is only 57. You know what? It's chilly out here. It's 48 degrees. About 11:24, and the temperature shows 88, which I know that's not true. That shows 104. I don't think it's quite 104, but it's hot. See? It's showing 108. Not really. It is warm outside. Oh my gosh. Yep. We did it again. Starting the season off right. Grabbing some Sonic for breakfast. Yep, Sonic.
I got a whole bag of good stuff to eat from you know where.
Oh my goodness. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Does it have their summertime logo on it? No, on the front. Oh no, it's cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. As a cheeseburger on a road trip. Is it cheesy, cheesy, cheesy today? Yeah, it's the same thing we had last time.
One for me.
Oh my goodness. It doesn't say cheesy, cheesy on it, does it? Other side. Oh, it's different. Classic, classic, classic class. Like us. Yeah. But no burger, right? Oh my gosh. We're back to the cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Cheesy as a cheeseburger on a road trip. Yes, we made it Sonic. It's not our normal Sonic. Nevertheless, it's Sonic. There's our Sonic bag. Yes, we are actually in Fort Scott, Kansas. Yep. Made it Sonic. And yeah, I've still got the classic, classic, classic. And just like that, we're here up in Mocan. See the nice sign there, Mocan 60th anniversary. Hey, we just got here. Oh, it looks like a light crowd today. Here we are, 60th anniversary race here in Mocan. Well guys, read that or not. We're gonna cut our loss today and just go ahead and circle back home, and better luck next time. Okay, at the win. No. What year anniversary is the track?
60. Same as our anniversary.
Yep. Unlike his age.
What's up?
What are you doing?
Oh.
Sounds like a starter.
Yeah.
Well, rather do it now than.
Basically.
I found him.
I didn't leave.
Gonna put a silver alert out on him.
No, you put a cowbell on.
Good lord, cowbell.
It's hot.
It's hot. You're not gonna believe this one. I suck. Just tell Ken suck. No, I suck. I don't know.